Eggs Benedict is that ultimate decadent breakfast, but it's earned a reputation as a little bit tricky to make. Well, this is how you make your hollandaise with a stick blender and plate up the perfect Eggs Benny every time. First, and most importantly, we need to make sure we've got our English muffins, ham and spinach ready to go so that we can focus on making those perfect eggs. Then it's time to tackle our hollandaise sauce. We're going to melt some butter in a shallow fry pan on a very low heat and then scoop off any frothy bits before transferring it to a jug. In a container that fits your stick blender, we're going to place 3 egg yolks, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Then we're going to blitz that for 30 seconds until the egg yolks have lightened and incorporated some air, but don't forget to save your egg whites and use them for something else yummy like meringue. With the blender running, gently pour your melted butter in a thin stream, leaving any white milk solids behind. Keep blitzing until it's all incorporated, and then just keep your sauce in a warm spot because that is your hollandaise sauce done. Bring a shallow pan of water to a gentle simmer, then tip in your eggs one at a time. Turn the heat off, pop a lid on and let it sit for 3 minutes for a perfect poach. Scoop your eggs gently out of the water and onto the waiting muffins. Bathe it all in that gloriously velvety hollandaise sauce. And there you have your perfect Eggs Benedict, easier than you ever thought it could be, and it's a breakfast classic for a reason.